With the pandemic, we got stuck at home and limited to online shopping. We noticed that a common friction faced by many customers while buying makeup over the internet is not being able to choose the most appropriate shade and the preferred texture. So, how do we solve this issue? We are developing a line of cream products in which the customer will have the opportunity to choose the color and how matte or glowy the final product will be.
And how does entertainment go into that? This will be an interaction line, which customers will receive a DIY kit which will include a perfect kit base of the chosen item and the needed ingredients, giving them the opportunity to finish their own product at home.
We want the dynamic line to be modern and innovative. That's why its products will be packed and bottled in starch-based bioplastics and biodegradable polymers. We also want to bring the digital aspect into the entertainment, so to advertise our product, we will invite influencers to post their own DIY take on the dynamic line.
Dynamic line.
If you want something well done,
Do it yourself.